Hello friends, I am Dr. Ganesh Ravsar Patil from KTHM College in Nasik. Today we have learned types of matrices. Matrices. Introduction of matrices. Early development of matrix theory is due to European mathematician Sylvester Gale and Hamilton. This branch of mathematics is application in many other subjects such as statistics, physics, economics, psychology, etc. Definition. An arrangement of m number in the form of a rectangular block of m rows and n column enclosed in rectangular bracket is called as matrix of the order m by n. Let us see the types of matrix. Depending on the order and the nature of the elements, matrices are classified into various categories. Number 1. Zero matrix. A matrix whose all elements are 0 is called a zero matrix or a null matrix. For example, in this example, the elements are 0, 0. In the matrix 2 by 2s, all elements are 0, and the other examples, the matrix 3 by 3, all elements are the 0. They are of the order 1 by 2, 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 respectively. A zero matrix is denoted by capital letter O. Second, row matrix. A matrix having only one row is called a row matrix. A row matrix containing n element is a matrix of order 1 by n. For example, a row matrix 1, 2. Another example, in this element 2, 3, 4. Another example, in this matrix having element 0, 1, 2. And another example, and in this matrix elements P, Q, R are all row matrix. They are of the order 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 respectively. Column matrix. A matrix having only one column is called a column matrix. A column matrix containing n element is a matrix of the order n by 1. For example, this column matrix having element 0, 1. The another example of the column matrix having elements -1, 1, 1 are all column matrix and they are of the order 2 by 1, 3 by 1 respectively. Number 4. Square matrix. A matrix in which number of rows equal to number of columns is called square matrix. A square matrix having n rows and n columns is a matrix of order n into n. It is usually called a square matrix of order n instead of order n into n. For example, in this matrix having order 2 by 2 and the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Second example 1, 0, 0, 1. Third example 0, minus 2, 3, 2, 0, minus 5, minus 3, 5, 0. And another example having elements A, H, G, H, B, F, G, F, C are all square matrix because they having same rows and same column. The first two matrix having order 2 and next two having order 3. They have 2 rows and 2 columns and they have 3 rows and 3 columns. So this is known as square matrix. Number 5. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix in which all the non-diagonal elements are 0 is called a diagonal matrix. For example, the matrix having order 2 by 2 is element 2, 0, 0, 4. In this matrix, 2 and 4 are the diagonal and non-diagonal elements are 0. Second example, having matrix 3 by 3. In this matrix, 1, -1, and 1 are the diagonal elements, and not all non-diagonal elements are 0. The another example having elements 4, 1, 3 are the diagonal elements and non-diagonal elements are 0. Note that diagonal matrix, one or more diagonal elements may be 0 while all non-diagonal elements must be 0. Number 6. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix in which all diagonal elements are equal is known as scalar matrix. For example, the matrix having order 2 by 2, in this matrix the diagonal elements are equal. Here 3 and 3 both are same, so this is known as scalar matrix. In this another example, 5, 5, 5 are the diagonal elements and all diagonal elements are same or equal. So this is known as a scalar matrix. In the third example, the diagonal elements minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 are equal. So this is known as scalar matrix. Number 7. Unit matrix. A scalar matrix in which all the diagonal elements are 1 is called a unit matrix or identity matrix. For example, in this matrix having order 2 by 2, this diagonal elements are 1 and the order 3 by 3, and this is the diagonal elements 1, 1, 1. So are unit matrix of order 2 and 3 respectively. A unit matrix is denoted by capital letter I. If we want to mention the order of unit matrix, we write I2 identity matrix or the matrix of order 2. I3 identity matrix of order 3. In this unit matrix, all the diagonal elements are 1. So this matrix is known as unit matrix. And the last type of matrix is skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is equal to Aij is Aji. Skew symmetric is known as skew symmetric matrix, right? A square matrix A is equal to Aij is equal to Aji is known as skew symmetric matrix. If Aij is equal to minus 1 Ji for all I and j, this means that Aij is equal to this element and jth elements are equal in magnitude but having opposite sign. For all diagonal elements are 0. In this example, minus 1 and the opposite element is plus 1. So this is known as skew symmetric matrix. And this is the another example of skew symmetric matrix. So in this today's lecture, we are studied types of matrix. So in this lecture, we have to learn the types of matrix, and in this type of matrix, we learn zero matrix, we learn identity matrix, we learn column matrix, we learn skew symmetric matrix. So today we are stop here and let us practice all the examples of types of matrix. Thank you friends, thank you very much.